Temperature change is one of the main components of climate change. According to the article, studies have found that increasing temperatures also correlate with longer growing seasons, increased plant productivity, and thus increasing CO2 sequestration. However, there are issues with this. A longer growing season also correlates with increased plant water demand, which affects regional water availability because irrigation is responsible for a fairly significant portion of water usage. Thus, it could negate the benefits of a longer growing season. This is a significant problem in the southeastern United States. Despite the longer growing season, increased dry conditions in this area can cause wildfires. Also, warmer urban temperatures can spark urban-induced thunderstorms. In addition, the longer growing season can be offset by late-season frosts that cause plants to become damaged or die, and shorter chilling periods that plants need for their leaf unfolding. Unfortunately, the temperature is not the only factor that is having a negative effect on this area. The changing CO2 uptake created by the longer growing season, along with the higher temperatures, can promote soil decomposition, which adds even more CO2 to our changing atmosphere. The way climate change is affecting intensity of precipitation in the southeastern United States are affecting nutrient and water availability, which lead to periods of shortages and excesses. This variability influences the rates and magnitude of decomposition and thus CO2 emissions and sequestrations.